Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Asterisk and FreePBX on Ubuntu 24.04. Before starting, you must install all the dependencies required to compile Asterisk on your system. You can install all of them with the following commands. First, download the latest version of Asterisk from the Asterisk official website using the following command. Once the download is completed, extract the downloaded file with the following command. Next, change the directory to the extracted directory and install the required dependencies with the following command. Continue to run the following command to configure Asterisk. Set the menu options with the following command. You can use the arrow key to navigate and the enter key to select. Enable required add-ons. Enable core sound modules. Enable MOH packages. Select extra sound packages. Once all the components are installed, build Asterisk with the following command. Next, install Asterisk using the following command. Then, install configs and samples using the following command. Now, you must create a separate user and group for Asterisk. You can create them with the following command. Next, add some required users to the Asterisk group with the following command. Continue to set proper permissions and ownership using the following command. Next, edit the Asterisk file and set the Asterisk user as a default user. Continue to change the following lines. Save and close the file, then edit the Asterisk default configuration file and define the run as user and group. Change the following lines. Save and close the file. Then, restart the Asterisk service and enable it to start its system reboot with the following command. Next, verify the status of the Asterisk service with the following command. In some cases, you should get the following error. You can resolve this error using the following commands. Next, start the Asterisk service again with the following command. Then, connect to the Asterisk command line interface with the following command. You should get the following output. Exit out of the CLI type. FreePBX requires Apache Web Server, MariaDB, and PHP to be installed on your server. First, install Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and other required packages with the following command. Once all the packages are installed, download the latest version of FreePBX using the following command. Once downloaded, extract the downloaded file with the following command. Next, change the directory to the extracted directory and install the Node.js package with the following command. Then, set the required permissions with the following command. You should get the following output. Next, install the PM2 package with the following command. Change the Apache user to Asterisk and turn on the Allow Override option with the following command. Next, set the upload max file size in the PHP file with the following command. After that, enable the Apache rewrite module and restart the Apache service with the following command. Now, open your web browser and access the FreePBX web interface using the following URL. You will be redirected to the admin user creation page. Provide your admin user details and click on the Setup System button. You should see the following page. Click on the FreePBX Administration button. You should see the FreePBX Login page. Provide your admin username and password, and click on the Continue button. You should see the FreePBX dashboard on the following page.